Good afternoon, class. Good afternoon to all of you. We completed chapter up to chapter noun and determiners. Next, we have comparison. Before going to start comparison, I want to teach you verb chapter. Do you have any doubt, any problem? Because before getting any information about verb, noun, pronoun, we cannot understand comparison chapter. Okay, so that's why I decided to start next chapter, that is verb. Okay, in your book, in your practice book, there is a chapter. Third chapter is verb, the verb. Okay. Do you know about verb? Do you know what is verb? You may raise your hand. What is verb? In class 6, class 3, class 4, you must have familiar with the word, the verb. Do you know what is verb? Yes, Angel.
Ma'am, doing what is called, it is called verb.
Okay, this is only a simple definition. Can any of you don't worry, Anvesha, I will teach you all the worksheet. Don't worry about the worksheet. Can any of you tell me what is verb? In Hindi, we can say that verb is kriya. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं verb को? क्रिया. Okay? Any problem, any doubt? Okay. Now, new chapter, new page. New chapter, new page. Yes, Abhimanyu.
Ma'am, working a work is called verb.
Yeah, very good. Abhimanyu, very good. Can any of you? Anvesha, Radhya, Ayush, पंखुरी, विनीत. विनीत पता नहीं कहाँ खोया हुआ है. हाँ, ऑन कर देते हो क्लास और पता नहीं कहाँ चले जाते हो, है ना? मैं देख रही हूँ विनीत. Okay, now let us start with the definition of verb. Verbs are the action words. Action words in a sentence that describe what the subject is doing. Okay, so look at the board. Verbs are the action words in a sentence. Means that verbs role is to play the and describe the sentence, describe the subject. Okay, what the subject is doing. Okay, means that verbs are action words in a sentence which describe the subject, what the subject is doing in the sentence. Okay, for example, I teach you. I teach you. Okay. In this sentence, I is subject and what is subject doing? Teaching. So that is why we can say that teach is verb. Okay. What the subject is doing, क्या subject कर रहा है काम sentence में, वो कैसे पता चलता है? verb से पता चलता है, verb बदलाता है. Okay. So I teach you. I means subject and teach means verb. And what the subject is doing? Subject is doing teaching whom? You. So you is object. Okay. What happened, Pankuri?
मैम यू के नीचे जो ओ लिखा हुआ है उसका मतलब क्या होता है?
Means
मैम आई टीच यू और आई के नीचे सब्जेक्ट और टीच के नीचे वर्ब और यू के नीचे ओ का मतलब क्या होता है?
subject I is subject, S for subject, V for verb, O for object. Okay.
ओके.
Have you done? Okay. Can I erase the board? Can I erase the board? Okay. Next. Verb is divided into two parts. Main verb and auxiliary verb. Okay. Okay. Verb is divided into two parts. Main verb or auxiliary verb. What happened, Abhimanyu? What happened?
मैम इसको ड्रॉ भी करेंगे लाइन को?
हाँ हाँ, जैसे मैं कर रही ना वैसे करना है. Okay. Verb is divided into main verb, auxiliary verb. Okay. And main verb is divided into transitive verb and intransitive verb. Okay. And auxiliary verb divided into three parts. Okay. First is primary auxiliary, primary auxiliary and modal auxiliary. Okay. Main verb Main verb is divided into two parts. Transitive verb, intransitive verb. Auxiliary verb is divided into two parts. Primary auxiliary or modal auxiliary. Okay. What happened, Abhimanyu? What happened, Anjali?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you are saying that auxiliary verb is divided into three parts, but you have written only two.
No, actually, one is verb to be. In primary, we can teach it. Two only. Marginal
Okay, ma'am.
auxiliary verb होता है, but that is not for you. That is for the competitive level. Okay, that's why. Marginal auxiliary verb एक होता है. Okay. इसलिए मैंने बस टू बताया है. Okay. You can write only these. Note down it in your copy. Have you done? Can I erase the board? Have you done? Can I erase the board? In your book, in your practice book, are two main verbs are prescribed: transitive verb and intransitive verb. And second last chapter, modals verb is prescribed. Okay, so can I erase the board? Okay. Now put a heading, main verb. Put a heading, main verb. What is main verb? What is main verb? What is main verb? Put a heading. The verb shows an action or a state is called a main verb. Okay. Look at the board. Main verb. The verb shows an action, a state that is called main verb. Means that such a word which show action, that is main verb. For example, he ran fast. He ran fast. Okay, he is subject and ran is main verb because it comes up just after subject. Okay, just after subject, take main verb. Okay, so ran is main verb. I read. I read book. So I is subject and read is main verb. Okay. Any doubt? Any problem? Note down in your copy. Alvesha, where are you? MV means main verb. MV means main verb. Okay. Have you done? Have you done? Can I erase the board? Okay, good. Who said no? What happened? Abhimanyu, your mic is mute. What happened, Abhimanyu? Write your problem in the chat box. No, second point is primary auxiliary, sorry, auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb. Okay, what is auxiliary verb? The verbs help a main verb are called an auxiliary verb. Okay. Okay. Means that the verbs help a main verb are called auxiliary verb. Means that such a verb which help main verb, that is called auxiliary verb or helping verb. I am teaching you. Am is helping verb, the auxiliary verb. Okay, and teaching is main verb. Okay, so am is helping teaching. That's why am is helping verb. Okay, helping verb always come before main verb. Okay, do you have any doubt, any problem? Note down in your copy. What happened? What happened, Vinaya?
मैम आई एम टीचिंग के नीचे क्या लिखा हुआ है? एम के नीचे ए
Helping verb, main verb, auxiliary verb.
मैम एच भी लिखा हुआ है।
एम भी।
ओके मैम।
Okay. Have you done? Any problem, any doubt regarding to or definition of verb kinds and definition of main verb or auxiliary verb? Any doubt, any problem? No. So time is going to be over. Time is going to be over. Goodbye, class. Goodbye, class. Have a nice day. Goodbye, class. Goodbye. Bye bye. Goodbye, class. Bye.